You can't keep pointing fingers and saying someone's going to come and save the day. You have to, in your own way, figure out a way to lead and let others join you or assist you, but be part of that solution.
You know, we used to go for lunch at a little Portuguese little cafe, and you know, we used to go for lunch to various little places, but this cafe actually caught our attention, and I said to him, no one's ever taken, you know, Portuguese chicken to the world, and maybe we should take this chicken to the world. And we both knew nothing about what we were doing. I'd left already, so you know, we went for lunch while I was at Ultron, but then when I left, we stayed in touch, and I used to go and, you know, I'd drag him out and say, come, let's go and eat here. And we decided to buy a stake into that business. And so we bought, it was called Chicken Land at the time, and so we bought a stake in that business. We knew nothing about the restaurant business. And my original intention was really to do it as part of like a pure investment.
Yes. And that is why we believe Equity has, within a period of 30 years, become the most inclusive bank on earth, in the sense that there has been a lot of evolvement or transformation. Very micro businesses become small businesses become medium, medium become large enterprises, and large enterprises are corporatizing. And it's simply because of that model.
Banks at that time did not want to do anything in Africa. All these great banks. And it was such unbelievable situation